TikTok really is unmatched. Like, I can't even handle it. After I get out of the shower, I always brush my hair out and then I apply one of these towels to soak up all of the excess water. So you do not want to go in and blow dry or hot brush your hair when it is soaking wet. I would say you would want it damp, like 80% dry. So I'm just gonna go through with my big paddle wet brush and brush out my hair again. So my hair still is really wet. I'm gonna let it air dry for a little while and then come back on and do my hair with you guys. Okay, now my hair is pretty much dry. It's really just the roots that are wet. So I'm gonna go in with my Wow Dream Coat Spray. I just got a new bottle in the mail last night from Amazon. So this is a water-based formula. You're just gonna spray it everywhere. It is a heat protector and it lasts for up to 3 washes. So you do not need to apply it every time. I wanna say for like the last 5 years, I use a wood brush on my hair when it's dry and a wet brush when it is damp. So to blow out my hair, I'm gonna be using the Revlon hot brush. I don't even know what it's called. I've done videos previously with this on how I blow out my hair, but obviously it's gonna be a little bit different today since I am going to be applying rollers. So I have been watching tutorials all morning since this is my first time doing this on camera for you guys, and pretty much everyone started down the front or down the middle of their head all the way to the back. So that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm just going to blow out a section and apply a curler. These are the curlers that I picked up off of Amazon. They come with 31 and they are the Velcro rollers. So I only plan on using the 2 biggest sizes, this hot pink and then this neon green. So now I'm just gonna go through and blow this out and apply some rollers and pray for the best. Okay, so far, not bad. I only have 2 in. I guess they're supposed to look messy. It's really not supposed to matter. I'm going to section off the rest of my hair and I'm just going to speed through this process so I'm not boring the hell out of you. Okay, so now that I have rollers all down the front to the back of my hair, I'm going to separate this in half, so pretty much right at my ear line. And I am going to start with, oh, I don't know. I'm gonna start with the front and I'm just gonna put 2 rollers on each side. This really isn't like that difficult. I don't know why I was expecting it to be rocket science, but I haven't had rollers in my hair since like middle school. I used to always take showers at night and then while we were watching TV with my family, I would have my mom put these in my hair and I would sleep with them in. It was not a good look because they were like the tight foam rollers. Okay, we have the last roller. I can already see a lot of these are so messy, but I heard that's really not a big deal. I'm gonna go finish working and yeah, I will be back in probably an hour or 2 to take these all off. Okay, face is on. It is time to take these out. I'm not nervous. I think it's gonna work despite how messy she is. Oh, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, so we have a flip. One. These aren't coming out like the nicest. They're kind of sassy. Okay. Oh, I think this is gonna be like really nice. Okay, that one didn't come out as cute, and I think because I crimped a little bit of hair in order to roll it, it just looks a little weird. At least I know for next time. Oh, I think I did it to this one too, Erin. Okay, I didn't. She's okay. We have volume. This sounds so damaging. Whoa. Okay, so yellow is a bit too tight for me. No, not to use that one again. Wow. Okay. She's not bad, guys. She is not bad. This was so easy. Wow, I'm like really, really happy with this so far. Oh, you bitch. Okay, I only have 2 more. They're up high so you can't see. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh my god, I can't wait to get curtain bangs. This is gonna look awesome. Okay, I just went and got my wood brush, and then this new spray I picked up, it's supposed to really help with flyaways and frizz, so I'm hoping it will. Let's brush out first. Wow. Holy shit. Okay, I'm going to finish this off with some spray. Oh, it's not heavy at all. Nice. Bangin'. Well, I'm glad this didn't turn out to be a disaster. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on my socials below. That is Instagram, TikTok. I'm over Snapchat and Twitter. I'm just not about it anymore. So follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and I will see you guys in my next video.